Is throwing the ball high legal in table tennis? Why do professional table tennis players serve with a very high toss ball?
Regardez la quantité d'effets. Si une joueuse comme Charlotte la met
à côté, c'est que vraiment il y a beaucoup d'effets.
Voilà.
Allez, ça fait à nouveau une balle de 7.
Je le sens statique. Jen sur la dernière série de ce set. Voilà. Se dit voilà, je les ai gardés ces services-là.
What is the advantage? Hello, welcome back to PingSunday. I am EmRatThich. Why did the professional throw the ball high in the air? It is just a physical question. It is the free falling object. When you throw the ball very high, then the ball will experience a downward acceleration of 9.8 meters per second. The higher the ball is thrown up, the higher the velocity it touches on the racket. So the pro player throw the ball high because they want a higher velocity at the contact moment. Then they can impact more spin. The formula of the determining the velocity of the falling object after the time t seconds is v equals g t, where g is acceleration of the gravity. Why umpire make the mistake? At the semi-final running, which the umpire calls a let, the second was a fault. The first accusation was that he put the ball behind his of reference to Rule 264, and his service afterward. Malone fixed this. In the fifth game, the umpire called the umpire is wrong. Here are the two reasons that he is completely wrong. The pro table tennis players will avoid throwing the ball with spin at all costs. This umpire doesn't understand physics. He is not an active table tennis player, because as a table tennis player or a table tennis coach, you will understand it. If you throw the ball very high and if you try to add a little spin to the ball, then the trajectory is modified, which is unstable. The pro players throw the ball high because they want the velocity. They will avoid adding spin to have a stable high toss serve. The spin that you can create by throwing is next to nothing. Plus, that high of a toss will inevitably create a little bit of spin. It is called physics. The umpire needs to read the table tennis rule again. The real problem is that there's no consistency from umpires across the board in decision making regarding serves. This is infuriating. There are so many pros with questionable service, almost hiding the ball, throwing in an arc, etc. But this serve of Malone's was really fair. Not only does this referee not understand the meaning behind service rules, but he also apparently doesn't understand the simple reality of physics. It is not possible to throw the ball without any rotation. Look at this slow motion. This is normal when you throw the ball like this. It is not the spin impacted in any way. Some table tennis umpire is very bad, and subjective for the service rule. I hope that we can change and clarify the service rule in the near future.